How would you like something to binge watch over the Easter weekend? Well, I've got something, a surprise. The editing of the new high-mile Landcruiser series, I've called it Going the Extra Mile, is going so well, I can now offer you, let's have a look at the screen. When this offer was first put up on YouTube, there were 7 episodes. There are now 17 episodes. The editing has been going fantastically, and we have a wonderful story to tell you. The link is in the description, but if you go through, one of the most exciting episodes of all of them is the fact that I have broken with tradition and I've decided to give this Landcruiser a name, and I think you will agree with me. I was just telling my lovely viewers here, I've decided on a name.
What is it?
I'm not going to tell you that. I will tell you in a minute. Considering what this vehicle turned out to be, the name is very apt. So I'm calling the car. I have quite a number of my major projects available on video on demand, including 2 others that you might be interested in this Easter weekend. If you haven't watched Friends Cross the Canning, it's, I think, probably some of the best work that I've ever done. It has had more praise and acclaim than anything I've ever produced, and it's I would like to call a unscripted adventure travel comedy. And of course, my feature film that was actually shown in a cinema down here in Western Australia called The Cry of the Kalahari. And there are many others. What I would suggest, my Search for the Okavango, which is, I think, also some of the best work I've ever done. That is an epic television show that I actually shot for television. And then if you're from Australia, how about some of my Australia crossings? My first Canning Stock Route, 2017, and then my crossing of Australia, I actually crossed the easy way and then returned the hard way. And I did that in 2018. Lots of entertainment for your Easter weekend, and of course, you'll be supporting the channel.